Struggling with prop firms? Hey guys, this is going to be a different kind of video. This is going to be a video about how to pass a prop firm challenge and increase your profits. And I am going to be showing a strategy that I've been showing on my channel for a while, so you can check those previous videos. So without wasting any time, my advice first of all would be not to go for a high risk to reward. Right, this is through backtesting. I've been trading for a long time, well, a while, and my personal experience is when you go for the big numbers, especially when you backtest from a lot of data, go through a lot of data, you realize the 1 to 2s, 1 to 3s and 1 to 4s, they're the best numbers to go for, because you want to get in the market as soon as possible and you want to get out of the market as soon as possible. So first of all, okay, let's draw our major key levels. Now the example I'm going to be giving is, obviously, if you've been watching my videos, is the break and retest. I am on a larger time frame, so for example, let's go on the line chart. This is how I like to draw my zones. If I draw one line there, draw one line, I'm just going to draw the ones that straight away catch my attention, catch my eyes. So as you can see, this is one major level as well, and to draw it easier, actually, let's see if I draw it like this. Now we know, look at this, for Euro USD prices coming to a major zone again. If I clone, we see entering that zone again, and if I clone this again, now this is probably too wide, but the zones are areas, remember, not a fixed. Just refine this more so it looks more cleaner. And this is the way I've been passing prop firms. Now currently with funding pips, obviously, just if you are part of them on Discord, they have mentioned this integration will be completed, so we can move to C Trader on Monday. Today is Thursday, so that's great. I have funded accounts and a few phase 2 accounts that will be moving to C Trader. So yeah, okay, coming back to the point, the best way to pass prop firm challenges, guys, is one, we go for, let's type this up actually. Okay, let's put this in text, make this bigger. Let's go through this. That was silly. Okay, so number 1, keep it nice and simple. Excuse me. Number 1, okay, aim for 1 to 2, 1 to 3 RR maximum, and 1 to 4, right? And second, I would say is, I won't go for the strategy as well, but let's mark these down. 1 to 2 trades max. Number 3, 1% maximum, 2% risk for the day. Another one, and you have to stick to this as well, right? 1 trading session, 1 strategy, obviously. Now, okay, just leave this up here, leave that there. I don't know why that's okay. So let's just start through this. Okay, let's just imagine we are, look, price is coming down here. So with the break and retest, now I know there are multiple rejections. Now perfect example, it would be, guys, look, there was a rejection here, right? Multiple rejections in the past, then price comes down here. This would be on a Friday London session. Price comes through, breaks all these lows here, closes bearish, strong bearish candle, breaks through, comes back up, and look, it touches the red line here, and this is a break, sorry, a retest, what I'm waiting for. And I like to normally have this blue, call it about 5 pips, which I normally use. No, 5 pips is too tight. Need some room to breathe. call it 12 pips, shall we? And look at this. Remember I said we're going for a 1 to 3, right? But 1 to 4 maximum, right? Okay. Okay, another example. Let's see how many we can grab and how many we can grab that would not work. So again, here price breaks through, comes back up to retest, right? And we get another 1 to, this could even be a 1 to 5. Price comes back up. This is just a clean rejection. Now let's give you an example of a trade that we would lose. This one, price comes up, price closes bullish, and then it just drops. So this, I like to color my losses in orange, not red. Red is a strong emotional color, so that would be a loss. Now let me look at another example. I mean, this is a Wednesday. Let's go day by day. Remember, one trade per day. Okay, so Tuesday, right? Breakthrough, right? Oh, this is PM though, right? This is because the move's already made from here. So on a Monday we get the break here, but not clean retest. So what we can do is we get a retest here, right? So if I clone this, put it down here, this would give a 1 to 5, and just wait for another. You know what else I'm catching my eye? If you look at this level here, you see these wicks here, rejections. Look at this, up and down wicks connected, like I showed in my previous videos. Wick here, connect, rejects it, and I'm on a bigger time frame here, right? So let's put this down a bit, go to a smaller time frame, see, refine the entries more. So okay, that's better. So rejections are here as well, right? Now I'm on the 30-minute time frame here. Price breaks through, we wait for the candle to close, price comes back up, we get this bullish candle here, but we're not going to go for a buy because we know that, you know, buy sellers are in more control. We wait. What do we wait for? We look at this, not the best, but evening star created here. Let's color this, I don't know, black, but you can even, you know, a conservative entry, wait for the strong bearish candle close, and you can take the entry off here, and this will give you a nice 1 to 5. And even if you were to refine the stop loss above the wick here, 10 pips or 1 to 6. Remember what I said, 1 to 3. We only focus on 1 to 3s, right? This is on a Tuesday, first trade for the day. It's in profit and the price just drops. Now we move into the Wednesday. So that's a Wednesday, so it's not, keep it 1 to almost 1 to 6. So okay, remember we're only trading breaks. Well, so you have to look at price action as well. So this was a Tuesday, now we're moving on to Wednesday. Okay, now this is just support and resistance levels here, but if you look, let me just get rid of this. If you look on the Wednesday, now this is 8:30, so this is like, you know, late New York session. We get the break here, price comes back down, got the rejection wicks here. Now we're looking at the 1.0800 level, price comes down and it shoots back up. So this is on a Wednesday, and you clear up. I mean, these are just support resistance levels, so you could maybe take a trade here after multiple rejections. I would take the trade if I had that many rejections and that many wicks. So obviously this like I said, 1 to 3. Let's put this at 1 to 3 as well. Okay, new day here, that's Tuesday, this is Wednesday, new day at 1 to 3. Now we move over to Thursday. We get this bullish close above, breakout, price support here. We could, but then okay, let's see if I can get a better, refine this even more. Let's go and refine this even more, actually go to even drop down. Remember, use the bigger time frames to draw your zones, use the smaller time frames to refine your entries. So Okay, that's all. Remember, we stick to 1 to freeze, not going for anything crazy, nothing big. Stick to 1 stop loss as well. I know people say use different stop losses, it's different sizes. Backtest, but that's how you're gonna know your stop loss size as well through backtesting. 1 to 6, refine that to 1 to 3. Also this 1 to 3. Again, look at price action 1 to 3, and it's going to be in and out, the moves quick, and that's the whole idea behind this. Okay, now look at this, guys. Now this is exactly what I mean. So get rid of this one. This will be a perfect example. Not only do we have a head and shoulder pattern formed, but look at this. If I was to go for it, look at this. Remember the major zone, draw a line here. There are multiple rejections here. Price closed above, second candle touches, so you get the first to break, then the retest, price shoots up. So you could refine this, and we get a 1 to 4, and then look at this, another opportunity, right? Look, we get a close below, right? Price comes up to retest, so you could have done an impulse entry straight away here. So this was 6 pips, so let's make this around 6 pips too. Again, a 1 to 3, 0.5, whatever you want to call it. I mean, if you held it to this zone, this red line here, as you can see, a 1 to 4. Okay, so look at this, we get a break below, comes up to retest, but this will be a loss. And that's what you have to be. You have to be very realistic with your back testing. Okay, this is a Wednesday, this is a Thursday. Remember, we lost for the day, we move over. Now we come over to Friday. Okay, let's see if we can see anything. Friday, multiple rejection wicks here, all rejections here. You just take a 1 to 3. When you get this many rejections, just take the sell. Just go with the support and resistance. If you would have held the position, it would have gone even for longer. Like, look at this, clear rejections here. But what this guy is what I'm about to show as well. Let's clone this. Right, look at this. Remember, we look at price rejection, price action. We look at the, if you can't see this, look at this. Wicks here, support created, rejections, resistance, breaks through, right? Support is created here, resistance created here. Now we're on to this. Wednesday. So what do we have now? I'll just show you. I mean, you could even take a resistance here, breakout, price close above, come down to retest this wick here, rejection. You could take a buy. You've got 1 to 3 there on the way up, then a 1 to 3 on the way down, right? And then check this out. Then you get this break here, close below this candle. And then look, bullish candle here, and then a rejection here, and you could have taken another sell here, 1 to 3. And look, price came up and then just dropped here, then it came, you got obviously, you know, wicked out here. But then I'm looking at this, right, a 1 to 3 there as well. So just aim for the 1 to 3. I know you're probably thinking, but on the bigger accounts, these numbers mean something. You're probably thinking on a 10k account, just $300, but on a 100k account, you just made, if you get 2 of those right, that's 6%, that's 6k in a day. You know, that's more than people how much they make, I don't know, in about 2-3 months in some countries. So like, look at this. If you were looking for support, strong you know, rejection candles here, and also it's a double bottom, right? It's a double bottom, so we're back on the way up. Remember, we're looking for a 1 to 3. If we held all this, that's a 1 to 8, right? So but we're only looking for 1 to 3s. We don't, remember, we don't want the full pie, we want just a piece of the pie. So this was a loss, we keep on going. This was a Thursday, this was a Friday, we lost, so we move over to the next day. Okay, Monday now. So Monday, this is London Open. Yeah, this is about London being a London session. We get clean rejections here. Oh no, actually 1 minute. On the Sunday when market opens the Asian session, price breaks through. Now we're coming up for the retest. So even if you took the entry from here, but this was the clean touch of the red line, as you can see. Remember, we're looking for a 1 to 3. Again, clean, break and retest. Clean here, 1 to 3. But through backtesting, then you know what your TP is. So as you can see, we most of the majority of the time we hitting more than 1 to 3. Majority of the time, right? So because we could see that, maybe from backtesting we say, okay, most of the time I'm hitting 1 to 5s. So let's just keep doing 1 to 5s. You know, you gotta get better at drawing your zones as well. This is a Monday. We're moving on to a Tuesday. Okay, now Tuesday here, there's no red lines here, so that means, right, gotta add them. There will be some levels where you can add. Now, okay, look, this is the present moment right now. So let's go to a small time frame. This was today, Thursday. Okay, now remember what I said. Maximum, right? We go for 2 trades maximum. So you get a clean break, price comes back up to touch, but I don't bloody have a bearish candle, so I'm not taking a sell, right? If it impulse, you know, taking the trade, impulse entry, you would have got maybe stop loss above these highs here, and you would have got, you know, hit the, you know, you would have lost the trade. Now we got one more opportunity, one final trade. So what do? Now we know, okay, now there's a break to the upside, right? That's we got stopped out. So price comes down, right? Now, and now I'm bullish. Now I'm bullish. But look, okay, now you're probably thinking, but this closed bearish again, right? Closed below. Well, no, because now we closed bullish first. So originally, now waiting for the retest around 8 pips. So what was it? Well, call it 7 pips. 1 to 3 again. But actually, what was this one? 8 pips, 7 pips. So this is almost 8.8. Just one moment. What did we do previously? I think we were doing 8 pip stop loss. Can't remember, to be honest. We'll look at this. Let's just keep it 8 and keep this 8 as well. Okay, this is a 1 to 4. So 1 to 4, 1 to 5, or 1 to 3, whatever, guys. Just through back testing, you'll know. You know, this is price came down. This was around 12:45 p.m. today, and then our price is coming back down slowly. It's on a Thursday, so I wouldn't be interested. I'll keep an eye on this. I wouldn't trade Euro USD anyway. But for you guys, well, if you do trade Euro USD, price is coming down. Price did try to break through. It rejected. So maybe this could be even on the major zones. If you look at it, price has rejected this area multiple times and then drops below. Now there's a breakout, so now it's going to be interesting. We're on a downtrend. It's going to be interesting to see what price does when it comes down here. So yeah, maybe it could be price could just come down and bounce and shoot up, or probably break through, and then it could see on the downside. But it's a Friday now, which is tomorrow, so we'll see what happens. But I hope this video is helpful, and yeah, just, you know, keep your wins, you know, they are, you know, 1 to 2 trades a day. Keep your wins small, guys. I mean, not like if they keep running and, you know, the candle, you can see the feel, the volume. I use order flow footprint charts, so just hold the trades, let it go for a 1 to 5, 1 to 6, 1 to 7, even more. Sometimes they do run like crazy on the different indices, pairs, commodity like gold, other metals, pairs, you know, every GBP, JPY, which I trade. 1 to 2 trades max, 1%, 2% risk for the day maximum. And if you got the edge, you know, things should play in your favor. And yeah, so you know, this is an edge, by the way, guys. You know, if I take, for example, I get a break, so I could say, oh no, 1 minute. If I get a break here, so example, my edge could be, for example, I only take, just can you see the bearish candle here, no wick rejection at the bottom. It's a strong bearish candle signal. So example, when something like this forms consistently, you know, or my edge could be, I'm very good at drawing support resistance zones, understanding, you know, market structure or price action or volume, or there's, your edges could be 100 different things, but you got to maximize it, and through back testing and knowing where your strongest you know, advantages lie. So I hope the video was helpful and help on passing Propfirms. Definitely helping me this, so back test this more and more. Watch this video multiple times. Take care, and I'm out.